right? So this supplier was like telling me that the iPhone screen is not good, and is also telling me here that the battery is not working fine, and also what, the SIM card is not working. So if at all I did not chat this supplier as a professional to ask the necessary questions, this would have been in form of what I order versus what I got. So people will give them reviews. If it is bad review, you will see it there. If it is positive reviews, if they are negative, you will see all the reviews there. This is where you get to see the reviews of those people that this supplier has already sold iPhone from in the past, and what they have to say after they must have gotten the iPhone. If he has scammed people in the past, you will definitely get it here. It's another good review here. They said good, very good customer service and patience. So this is another buyer here. He said what? Hello money makers, you're welcome back to another edifying tutorial. And in this tutorial, or in this class, or in this session of this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you a life experience, and I'm going to be looking and talking much more better on how you can know a scammer on this platform called HidoFish. Right? So basically, my training is going to be in two ways, and it's going to be in two forms, right? The first one, we are going to be looking at the practical session with me and a supplier, right? Which I try to make a purchase of one iPhone with the supplier, and how the supplier is being straightforward with me. Then secondly, we look directly on things you need to know and how you are going to be knowing if a supplier is trying to scam you on 168, right? So before we dive into the tutorial, get to meet me. My name is Samuel Joshua, and this is 𝐷𝐼𝐼 Logistics. Here we basically talked about exportation business, importation business, e-commerce, how you can develop your business online, and most especially how you can make money online. So just click on the subscription button to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like it, and also share it to whomsoever you think this video will be helpful to. And of course, we can also help you make a purchase on this platform. If you want us to help you buy any iPhone, any gadgets, or any other items at all, we are available for procurement services. So that having been said, let's dive into the tutorial. So now, coming to my chat box here, I try to make a purchase from a supplier, right? And this is not me directly. If I'm to click on this chat icon here, one of my students on WhatsApp told me to help her make a purchase of this iPhone, right? This is the iPhone, and the mistake she did was the fact that she did not make any inquiry about what she wanted to get, right? And this normally leads to what? Scamming, right? This is what she just saw. She saw this directly. Let me just click on this supplier's profile here so you can see the real picture. Now, this is what she saw on this platform, and she never mind reading the instructions at all. She never mind reading this instruction. She just sent me the link and make payment for this item so I can help her make the purchase, right? So you can see here, this is the picture of what the iPhone she wanted to get, right? So now I click on this product to make more inquiry as a professional, right? So this supplier was like telling me that the iPhone screen is not good, and is also telling me here that the battery is not working fine, and also what, the SIM card is not working. So if at all I did not chat this supplier as a professional to ask the necessary questions, this would have been in form of what I order versus what I got, because this my students and this my clients here never worried about making inquiry. She just sent me the link to make a payment. I just have to go extra mile to help her ask this question, even though she did not ask me to do that, right? So that is the first thing you need to do. If you want to know a scammer, this is where you are going to be knowing them. The first process is to ask questions about the product. So now, in some cases, if you ask a supplier that what's the issue of this phone, what's the distance of this phone, like you wanted to ask the normal question about this product, the supplier will tell you. If you want to know a real scammer, the supplier will tell you that you should chat him up outside this app, maybe on WeChat or any other platform. That is number one red flag of a scammer. Yes, any payment you want to do, any conversation you want to do, don't make a payment that is not escrowed. Once the supplier successfully lure you to WeChat or to any other platform, that is the red flag. And once you bargain with the supplier outside of the app, he will now send you his Alipay account for you to make payment directly, which is not ideal, right? It is not ideal. So if you are to make any offline payment now, there won't be access for you to ask for refund if at all this supplier did not deliver what he promised or what you wanted to buy. That's another thing, right? So it is better for you to just seal the deal on anything you want to buy, any product you want to get. It's better for you to just get it directly on this platform and make a payment that is escrowed. Now, this is the list of the items that I've purchased on this platform. You can see it here, right? So, and the payment went successfully without any issues at all, right? Now, coming back to how you can now know a fake supplier or a fake store. Now, this is where you want to pay more attention, please. If you are buying any item at all on this platform, the first thing you need to do is, now let me just pick this phone for instance. Now this is, let me say I want to purchase this iPhone here. The first thing you need to do is to go to the seller's profile, the shop of this seller, to check the background check of those people that have purchased phones from this supplier in the past, what they have to say about that phone, if the phone is good or not, if the supplier delivered what he showed us just like this or not. So people will give them reviews. If it is bad review, you will see it there. If it is positive reviews, if they are negative, you will see all the reviews there before you can now decide if you are going to be buying this item or not. And how do you do that? Just come here. 𝐻𝐻𝐵 management have made everything easy, right? This is where you will click. You can click here, right? So once you click here, it will show you, it will take you directly to the supplier's shop or profile. That is one beautiful thing about this 𝐻𝐻𝐵 management. So you'll be able to see all the listed items that this supplier have for sale and the reviews. So let me click on it and show you what I'm saying, right? So if I'm to click on this guy now, let me click on it. If I'm to click on it, it will open the store. This is the store of this supplier now. You can see it here. This is everything that this supplier have for sale that is displaying. This simply means that this supplier is what? He deals with iPhone. That is the first thing, right? Now, secondly, this is where you want to pay more attention now. Coming to this surface here, this is what you want to pay attention to. I'm going to be using my translator to translate this page now for you to see. this is where you get to see the reviews of those people that this supplier has already sold iPhone for in the past, and what they have to say after they must have gotten the iPhone. So now I will screenshot this page and go to my Google Translator to translate this page for you guys to see. So this is my Google Translator now. My Google Translator has already translated this page for me. So now this is what I told you to pay attention to, right? So now this is the supplier's review. Let me click on this. Let me circle this. This is the supplier credit and review. That is what we want to pay attention to. So we are going to click on this review to check what people have to say about this supplier. If he has scammed people in the past, you will definitely get it here. And if his products are okay, then you will definitely get it here. And this is another thing here. He has sold over 20 pieces of this phone. And another thing to take note here is the positive rating. They've given this supplier what? They've given him over 99% rating. So this simply means that is very, very okay. So these are things you need to pay attention to. So now let's go back to our idle fish to check the review. So I'm going to click on this face here to check the review of this store, right? So I'm going to click on it. Clicking on it now will load all the positive reviews and the negative reviews. You can see here, let's start from this page here. This page have to do with the positive reviews, the negative reviews. So now I'm going to screenshot this page, then go to my Google Translator again to show you guys what this actually means, right? So this is my Google Translator now. Let me show you what it actually means. Now you can see it here. Those people who give reviews with picture, we have them for what? We have them 33. This simply means that 33 people give picture reviews, and these people with this here have over what? Over 39 positive reviews, and 6 people has gifted this supplier maybe money just because his product is okay. And this is well packed. This simply means that when we have this well packed, simply means that this supplier well pack the item, like the package is sent, the iPhone, they packed it very well. Now coming down to the next phase of it, I'm to scroll here. This is what? This is the fast shipping review and the like. So now let's go to the normal reviews. So all what you are seeing here is a review about those people that has make a purchase on this supplier. If I'm to screenshot and start showing you all these reviews, it will take a long time, right? So you want to take your time to screenshot all this, translate them, see what people have to say about this supplier. So now you can see here, this is one of the suppliers, right? This is one of the people that bought from this supplier, and this is the iPhone. So if I'm to scroll now and do what? Let me screenshot and see what this guy have to say about this product. So if I'm to screenshot it now and take it over to my Google Translator to see this review or to check this review, you will see that this is likely to be a positive review, right? So which I'm going to be doing now. So let's see what we have. You can see here what the flushing, right? So they said that the machine is okay, that the phone is okay. This is the review. This is another good review here. They said good, very good customer service and patience. So this is another buyer here. He said what? The seller is very good and the quality is very good, right? So these are reviews. You can see here, these are another reviews. Happy customer, very satisfied, right? So these are reviews you want to check one after the other. Whenever you see that people, like 5 people, 10 people give a bad reviews on this same store or on this same supplier, this simply means that is a red flag. You should not go there, or you should not buy from this store. These steps is applicable on any other product you want to purchase at all on 𝐻𝐻. So please take note. So if I'm to click on this 33 now to check those people that use picture to for their review, let me click on it here. So you see those people, you can see here, these are people that give their reviews with pictures. You can see them. These are the people that have already made purchase from this store, and they now snap the picture to give feedback that the phone is good. So you can now take your time to start screenshotting them one after the other to check if it is positive review or negative review. These are things you want to learn. These are things you want to know even before buying from any platform at all, right? It's as very simple and straightforward. So please, if you've gained value so far in watching this tutorial, just give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if this is your first time of watching this tutorial. Kindly subscribe to our channel, right? Then I also told you I'm available for procurement. I can help you do sourcing. If you want me to do any background check on any product you want to buy at all, I can definitely help you to do that. Then we are available for training. I have the complete course. If you cannot chat your supplier, I can help you lift the restrictions, right? We are just a DM away. These are different suppliers that I've already chatted. You can see it here. I chat a lot of supplier on a daily basis on this platform, so I can help you chat supplier, make inquiry about any product you want to buy at all, and make your purchase successfully without any hassle at all. You can see here. So this is everything you want to learn as at when this tutorial is concerned, right? So I'm going to be leaving you with this video on how you can make a complete purchase on 𝐻𝐻, right? So thank you guys for watching this very tutorial to the very end, and I will definitely see you in my next tutorial.